Today I want to show you a print-on-demand opportunity that, according to my research, is doing over 5,000 sales a month and over 100,000 sales per year on Amazon. But honestly, the niche itself is only half of what makes it interesting. What really caught my attention is how scalable this opportunity becomes once you combine niche research with AI-assisted design tools. Because instead of manually creating every single design variation from scratch, we're going to let the market tell us exactly what people are searching for. So not just the overall parent niche, but the sub-niche opportunities, and then use AI to rapidly iterate and build designs around those sub-niche related keywords in less than a minute. So in this video, I'm going to show you the niche, how I'd research it, and how I'd approach designing for it. Then how I'd quickly scale additional variations using simple AI prompts based on real search data. And the best part is you really don't need to be an experienced designer for any of this. So let's go. So I was in the Merch Dominator web app. They constantly refresh it daily, looking at the best opportunities for print-on-demand sellers based on current real-time Amazon sales. And I came across multiple Moms Club niche designs. So I decided to go directly to Amazon and perform a quick keyword search. I'm seeing things like Cool Moms Club, Feral and Unhinged Moms Club, In My Cool Mom Era, Overstimulated Moms Club, even Mom Vibes Cool Moms Club. So there's endless opportunities. I could go through the whole page one if I wanted to. There's a lot of different spins on this Moms Club opportunity. So what I wanted to do was, using the Merch Dominator Chrome extension, which I have installed, do a quick keyword search, because instead of me having to comb through every product on page one, it goes through each one. It looks at the BSR, most importantly, which is an indicator of how well products are selling relative to each other in the category. And it straight up tells me, hey, on average, 58% of products on page one have a BSR under 100,000, which to me, in my personal experience, implies it's making daily sales, like regular sales. Now, this is seeing a bump from Mother's Day, but it's also an evergreen niche opportunity. So I absolutely love the idea of selling in this niche. By the way, it's doing 4,828 sales a month estimated by Merch Dominator and over 100,000 per year. So this is something we should be taking seriously. And once you start noticing the same themes, the same phrases that are repeating across products, it basically gives us the blueprint for what our customers want. You only need to do a quick scroll through page one, combine that with Merch Dominator confirming that these are in fact selling, that there is demand for these products, and we've got everything we need to start designing. Instead of staring at a blank canvas trying to come up with ideas completely from scratch, we can use Kittl's AI-powered workflow to dramatically speed up the creative process. So let me show you how I'd approach creating a design for this niche, starting with the Start with AI feature, which now is the default in Kittl because, well, as they say, they are an AI-first design platform. We want to use the latest, greatest advancements in technology, and I think this really helps us do that. So what I'm going to do first is show you what I believe to be the best way. I found a winning design that's done over 100 sales in the last month here on Amazon, and Amazon actually tells us that. I'm going to go ahead and just simply take a screenshot of this, bring it over to ChatGPT and paste it. So I'm going to say, describe this design. My intent is for you to create a prompt that I can use in an AI image generation software so that I can create unique print-ready designs inspired by this. Make sure that the outputs are print-ready and optimized for print on demand and not on a t-shirt mockup. Sometimes I just include that so that we don't have to worry about removing the wavy kind of t-shirt background. But guys, it's literally that simple. You can start with ChatGPT for free and have it create your prompts for you. So here is the first prompt, and look at that. They even actually came up with a few different ones: spooky mom, vintage tattoo mom, Western mom, boutique skeleton mom. And we can mess around with all of these in Kittl if we want to. So let's go back here, and to get us started, I'm simply going to paste and hit generate. Now it's worth mentioning, Kittl is going to generate 4 images at a time for us. You can control that down here, how many outputs. I'm going to keep it on 4. They also have the latest, greatest image generation models built in. So this is using Nano Banana 2, but ChatGPT Image 2 has been really popular lately. So I'm going to switch it to that, and I'm going to rerun the prompt. And what do you say? Why don't we maybe grab a few other ones like the spooky mom club aesthetic? So I'm going to use that prompt as well and hit generate. Just like that, guys, we're generating 12 different designs. Let's go with the next one here. Was it the vintage tattoo flash mom is what they called it here in ChatGPT? Just like that, we have 16 different designs being generated for us using some of the latest image generation models that are all integrated directly into Kittl. And what's cool is because the outputs are here in Kittl, we have access to the full suite of tools that Kittl's developers built for professional designers. Granted, you don't need to be a professional, but we have access to everything we need in theory if we wanted to work on something that is akin to what a professional graphic designer would be doing in 2023. 2026. So let's take a quick peek at these outputs. It looks like it actually tried to generate the text for us too. So you got cowgirl mom, mommying is a wild ride, chaos coordinating mama, momming ain't easy, but someone's got to do it. I run on caffeine and chaos. I'm a mom, I run on caffeine. I run on caffeine and chaos. Down here, we got the different prompts. Mom life, it's got the messy hair bun inspired one. Raising tiny humans is exhausting. Mom life, you should see my patience. Mom life, fueled by caffeine and pure rage. Caffeinated mom, caffeine fuels my body, caffeine in my coffee. All right, so you guys get the gist of it, right? We were able to do that in less than a minute. We had 16 different designs created. They're all unique. They're all inspired by at least one bestseller that we started off with. So that is the easiest path forward if you ask me, just simply using Kittl's Start with AI feature. Now, if you want something a little bit more specific, or you had something more specific in mind, which I wouldn't blame you, I still do often spend time making my own t-shirts, right? Even if I'm mixing in elements with AI. Let me show you how I would go about doing that. So I might actually go here back to the Kittl homepage and click Start with a template. Then I might do something like Mom's Club. Let's try that. And I'm gonna look at their massive library of templates for something that I think is gonna work well with basically where I saw this shirt, you know, something along those lines. I actually think this is gonna be perfect. It's got that 60s, 70s vibe that we know was really trendy in recent years. Maybe not as much in 2026, but you know, things are cyclical. I wouldn't be surprised if it's made a comeback. So it says Cool Moms Club to start. Now, if I just wanna start off by making maybe something along the lines of Feral and Unhinged Moms Club, all I really need to do is kind of work with this template. For instance, I need the top. Well, number one, I'm gonna grab the bottom. I'm gonna downsize this because we're gonna need more space for the Feral and Unhinged part. So let me also make this a little bit smaller. And how about it says Feral over here behind me? There is a section for letter spacing. I'm gonna go ahead and set that to 0. I need to make sure I've selected all of it, then set it to 0. Boom. Okay, so Feral and Unhinged. So maybe I'll duplicate this to get the yellow and say, and make this small. And I'm gonna duplicate Feral now. We can have it say Unhinged, and then we're gonna need to go ahead and make that smaller. Okay, so there we go. It says Feral and Unhinged. Okay, now we just got to kind of play around with all these elements. I like to use as much space as possible in the design, but you do want everything to kind of have the same scale to it. So I definitely need to downsize the word feral just a little bit. Guys, something like that right there, Feral and Unhinged Moms Club. I love starting with text only. All right, stop if you've heard me say that before. To me, this has the widest, broadest appeal. As in, if 1,000 people search, I think that the highest likelihood that all 1,000 people agree on one design is probably this one. Once you start introducing graphics and whatnot, I think you start to like exclude potential buyers, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but this is why I like to make multiple versions of every design. So I want to start with something like this, right? That I think has that broad appeal and speaks to as many people as possible. And then I want to move on to something like this, where I can, again, maybe use this approach where we have it describe this graphic, so I can create something similar inspired by it. So I had Nano Banana 2 and ChatGPT Image 2 create 4 different options of this design, and I get to just choose whichever one I like best. So honestly, in terms of being limited in space, maybe this one might be the best option. I'm gonna go ahead and click it and then hit remove background, and maybe I'll give myself a few options. So I'll try one with just the head as well. All right, and let's go ahead and pull this into our design here and see if we can make it work. Let's at least see what it looks like. So as you can see here, a little bit limited in terms of the vertical space. That is a potential issue. By the way, we have the option of cropping it as well. If you were really having it limited with space, or maybe you just like this head more, you could do something like that as well. And then in terms of the order, maybe send to the back, so that's a little bit behind the M, and then it kind of blends in nicely. So that is pretty much, I think, all we have room for. So we don't even need to bring in the other head. So Feral and Unhinged Moms Club, or theoretically too, if we wanted to, we could probably bring like Moms Club to a different, or to the same line instead of on separate lines, and then just kind of rework the flower elements here and the floral elements that were a part of that base template, something like that. And then maybe work in something like this. Well, those are all related to coffee though, so maybe we don't do that. Maybe we just, for an example, remove the background off one of them, swap it in there, and maybe this is the coffee and chaos mom. Wouldn't that make sense? That's the coffee and chaos moms club variant of this design. What I really wanted to show you guys is that Kittl makes it easy. It's got everything we need in terms of graphic design software, but like they mentioned, they call themselves AI first, right? They're trying to give us everything we need to stay ahead of the curve as Kittl users for print on demand. And I think they're doing a great job of doing that, which brings me to the next point I wanted to share. And this is where AI starts becoming a massive advantage for print on demand sellers, because now that we've built the foundation once, we can start scaling variations incredibly fast. Now let's go back to the research side for a second, because this is where things get really interesting. The original keyword keywords of Mom's Club shirts were just the original piece of the opportunity. But what we really want are all the related search phrases surrounding this niche, because every keyword represents slightly different customer intent. Now let me show you how Merch Dominator has our backs in this. I'm gonna go ahead and hit more keywords. What I wanna show you is that by hitting more keywords, check this out. Amazon actually has suggested keywords that are really tough for us to hone in on using their autocomplete without the assistance of a tool like the Merch Dominator Chrome extension in this case. So what I wanted to share is over here on the left-hand side, a lot of the keywords are pretty generic, like mom, shirt, club, funny. But if you scroll down further, like cool, the word cool for Cool Moms Club. Okay, got it. Add that to your list. What else? Skeleton, retro, feral, tired, trendy, coffee, right? These are all representing additional sub-niche opportunities or adjacent to the Moms Club niche. I would call them sub-niches. The mental, the unhinged, acid. Who even thought of that, right? That would not be something that would be probably on your list if it weren't for the ability to spy on these keywords basically using Merch Dominator. You can see punk, western, all right? Those are all additional opportunities that we could potentially miss out if it wasn't for the ability to grab these keywords and act on them. That's the other half of this too. We got to go back to our template here. And guess what? Now in Kittl, all we have to do is go up here to the top left above our artboard, click AI image board, make the Acid Moms Club version of this graphic. And honestly, this is probably not how I'd go about doing it. I like to have control of the text, and I'm not even sure what the Acid Moms Club version is. Let's see, like Acid Moms Club. Let's just see what Amazon comes up with. And let's go to something a little bit more predictable, like the coffee version. We can go ahead and remix this graphic. So you know how we used Nano Banana 2 and ChatGPT Image 2 to generate these graphics for us? I can go ahead and hit remix on the one that I like. And I can say, create a version of this, including a coffee element, and hit generate. And it's gonna go ahead and do just that. By the way, you might wanna increase your outputs as well to multiple so that you have options. And we should get 3 different options in just a minute. Okay, and then it's also working on the AI image board. I wonder if it's confused, because I was a little confused by the Acid one. Maybe that was just mixed in, and maybe that had something to do with the t-shirt type. So let's go ahead, like the retro version, right? And by the way, you can actually go back to ChatGPT and mix it in here. Create additional image prompts inspired by these keywords from my research. And you can go ahead and say, each line needs its own prompt for creating a similar graphic to the original. So maybe I'll just copy this. So we would say, going back here, we could say something like overstimulated. We could say cool, overstimulated mom, cool mom, feral, tired, mental. And we can go ahead and it's gonna generate 5 prompts for us just like that, right? So there's really endless possibilities here. While that works, let's pop back over to Kittl and okay, so Acid and Chaos Moms Club. That is 10 times better than I would have ever expected. I mean, damn. Kittl's AI did the damn thing there. That is so cool. It says acid mom fuel on the coffee cup, and then it's got the tie-dye kind of clipping mask is what I would call it when it kind of sticks to different elements in the design. I think that's so well done. And then in terms of our output here, it looks like it's actually optimizing for a dark background, which is kind of the inverse of what we need, but we can go ahead and just remix that and, you know, flip the prompt to get that element that we need. But you can see it also did include the coffee element in a couple different ways there. Oh man, that's so cool. And then for our last experiment, I'm gonna go ahead and run these ChatGPT prompts that were again inspired by the sub niche research that we did on Merch Dominator based on bestsellers in this niche on Amazon. And look at how well these AIs work together. Here's our overstimulated mom design. I absolutely love that. I love the little design elements in the background too that would take a human so long to do. Although I will say, if you're using Kittl, you can always go up to illustrations, lightning bolts, and you know, you can find a million of these options. So, but I'm just saying the fact that AI does it all for you in one output, I absolutely love that. The next one here, the cool mom, again, inspired by keywords from Amazon, the feral mom, the tired mom, and finally the metal mom. I mean, what's not to love about that? And remember, you can scale this out well beyond what I just illustrated. I just picked 5 examples to show you. And at the end of the day, more keyword coverage means more opportunities to show up in search. More relevant listings means more opportunities to generate sales. And when you combine niche research with AI-assisted design tools like Kittl, it dramatically lowers the time required to actually enter a niche and start testing products. It obviously does not guarantee success, but it does allow you to move faster, test faster, and iterate faster than ever before. Personally, I feel like a big part of my print-on-demand journey that began almost 10 years ago was that I did just that. I'm very comfortable using a computer. I started using them over 20 years ago, and I was able to operate really quickly. I was able to do things that most people need maybe 5 times longer to do. And I would even time myself and really focus on getting tasks down as quickly as possible. But now with AI, it is a completely level level playing field. One last thing I wanted to make you aware of, Kittl recently added AI-powered UGC video templates. So instead of creating a static graphic for your print-on-demand product that everybody's used to seeing, you can actually turn it into a full short-form style product video inside the same workflow. Let me show you how this works really quickly. So from the Kittl start screen, go ahead, scroll down, and you'll see a section for videos. I'm gonna click that, and then in the search bar, I'm gonna type UGC. This is gonna filter out anything that's not a UGC video template. Now, these are templates, as in they're already built out for us. So if we wanna use one of these, all we have to do is find one that we think fits our niche or our product or our design and simply hit use template. From here, all you have to do is replace the existing demo graphic, the one that's here as a demo. So in this case, it would be the cherry bomb graphic right here with your design. Then you'll click into the first scene. It'll apply your new graphic and then hit generate, and it'll regenerate that image. And then from there, you'll regenerate the video. Let me show you. I've already done it. I took our Acid and Chaos Cool Moms Club design here, and I fed it into this workflow for the exact same template that you just saw me select. So I replaced the cherry bomb design, as you can see here, with our Acid and Chaos mom. Then I regenerated the static image right here, and then I regenerated the video. So let me play it for you. Just like that, guys, we've got our first piece of UGC content, and it's easy to tweak. If you want to make any changes, simply click in. You'll notice it triggers the prompt here that sets up all of the frames of the video, and you can feel free to click into it and change any aspect. AI will then take it from there and create the output that you requested. It's wild how easy it is to use Kittl's AI video boards, which are powered by Cdance 2.0, by the way, to generate as many scenes as you want, adding motion, adding life to your videos, getting customers excited to purchase. So instead of needing a separate filming software, video editing tools, paying somebody to create it for you, the influencers can be expensive, Kittl generates the scenes automatically from prompts right inside the same project. And again, they built out these templates for us to use. Now, you don't have to use their templates, but man, it is saving me a ton of time lately. Honestly, for print on demand, this is kind of a huge deal because short form content and product videos perform incredibly well for ads, and if you're trying to drive organic traffic to your listings on TikTok Shop, Instagram, etc. The fact that you can go from idea to design to finished UGC style product video is insane. If you want to test it out yourself, I'll put a link in the description. Kittl's also offering 3 free months on annual plans with the code VIRALVID through May 25th. That's all one word, VIRALVID. So hopefully this video gave you some ideas, not just for finding profitable niches, but also for how AI tools can streamline your design process. And again, if you want to check out Merch Dominator or Kittl, I'll have links to both in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys at the next one.